all the white lights off and are in our cozy corner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya and today was a rather hectic day in my life. So these are few things that I do to relax and unwind at the end of the day. So I thought I'd share it with you. Please don't mind my mirror. I know ganda ho raha hai. But right now, we will be washing our face. This is the face wash that I'm using. It's from Bioderma and it's very nice. I believe there's no greater feeling than a clean face. I'm using this Tony Moly toner. It's very good. I think I bought it in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale and for 900 rupees. And I use it every day without fail. I have dry skin, so this actually helps hydrate. It बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है ये मेरे skin में, so I really like it. I use this moisturizer. It is also from Bioderma. I like the brand overall. I think the ingredients are pretty nice and it suits me, so this is what I'm using right now. Night time we should focus on hydrating. Plus आज होली थी and happy Holi by the way. And even though मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा होली नहीं खेली, but my skin is sensitive, so I think this helps. See the skin, I believe until your skin looks like a glazed donut, आपको सोने नहीं जाना चाहिए. आज शाम को हम एक मंदिर गए थे and वहाँ से वापस आते टाइम I got flowers. Let me show it to you. They are beautiful. Pretty. While adjusting मुझसे एक फूल टूट गया. But you imagine him also here being a part of the club. Okay, lip balm ke liye I use this one. It's Vaseline for lip therapy, and I have emptied tubs and tubs of this. It's so good. This one is better than the Laneige one. I have that also, but I like this one better, and it's for a fraction of the price. Perfect. So when I was a kid in 4th or 5th standard, I guess, I used to write a lot, like teens, and now that I read my diary, उस टाइम की, it's so funny. मेरी हिंदी क्लास में क्या हुआ, मेरे इंग्लिश क्लास में क्या हुआ, was it a nice day, did I had fun, and I used to write absolutely everything. Like I remember this one time jab we were playing I think basketball with few of my friends, and I wrote the whole incident of what happened, and it was a very good day for me, and I still smile while reading. I want to keep doing that in my life, so I have started writing again, and मैं pages and pages तो नहीं लिखती, but I write few things here and there, and it makes me feel a lot better. बहुत ही mind clear हो जाता है. If you're wondering, these are the products that I use on my hair. This is a Bare Anatomy का hair growth spray. This is Wishcare का hair growth serum. You ask me कि ये काम करते हैं या नहीं, I think they do. This one makes your hair feel so much softer, and I think बहुत cheap है ये. So I think if you do not want to invest in this, it's great, पर इसका quantity actually कम आता है. You can definitely try this one. I will give myself a quick 5-minute head massage and then I will get. So write my to-do list रात में ही. But I think this is one thing जो मुझे लगता है I should work on, क्योंकि मैं बहुत over achieve करने का सोच लेती हूँ. My to-do list is so extensive. It feels like I'll do this, ये भी कर लूँगी, वो भी कर लूँगी, and जब उससे 50% भी पूरा नहीं होता है, तो it's very demotivating and I do not like it. हाँ, आप टेढ़े थे इतने देर से. Can you see me properly? Is that better? Ah, it is better. Okay, I like it more. So yeah, so क्या बोल रही थी मैं आपसे? भूल गई मैं. Let me remind. हाँ वही कि मैं बहुत ही ओवर अचीव करने जैसा सोच लेती हूँ. So now I have to work on it, and to work on it मैंने ये कहीं पढ़ा है that while making your to-do list, you should put 3 tasks जो सबसे ज़्यादा importance के हैं उस दिन में. रेस्ट ऑफ द टास्क आप पूरे करो या नहीं करो इज़ फाइन, पर ये 3 पूरे होने ही चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक आई ट्राई डूइंग दैट. लेट्स सी इफ इट हेल्प्स. आई विल अपडेट यू. एक और चीज़ मैं ये बता रही थी कि मेरे पास मेरा पेन और पेपर ना हमेशा नहीं होता, बट मेरे को बहुत ओवरवेल्म्ड हो जाती हूँ मैं बहुत जल्दी से. सो आई नीड टू राइट स्टफ डाउन टू काम down. I do it in my notes app and it's great help. But I think the pen paper is much better, पर वो भी help करता है. So if you are not somebody who can maintain a diary or something, the notes app is amazing. Even Android में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे notes app हैं. Just start writing stuff, typing, and just let it be. You will feel so much better at the end. So I am almost done with my nighttime routine. Now I am going to read a book. This one's called Anxious People by Frederick Backman, and it's a very very nice book. I am reading it pretty slowly क्योंकि मैं एक और book पढ़ रही हूँ सुबह साथ में इसके. Let me know if you want me to review books for you, like, because I have a lot of friends who do not read, and I really want them to start. And if you are one of those who do want to start reading, I think it's one of the best things you can do for yourself. किताबों के hours and hours and hours spend कर सकती हूँ किताबों के बारे में बात करने के लिए. तो आप मुझे बताएं अगर आप चाहते हैं तो I will do it. Read few chapters जब तक मेरी आंखें ऐसे बंद नहीं होती हैं, and then I will hit the bed and sleep. अभी मैं अपनी वाटर बॉटल भर के लाऊंगी, विच आई ड्रेड. आई थिंक मेरे को मेरे पूरे नाइट टाइम रूटीन का सबसे बुरा पार्ट लगता है कि मेरे को बॉटल भरनी पड़ती है. फिर उसके बाद आई विल रीड फ्यू चैप्टर्स एंड देन आई विल स्लीप. दैट इज इट फॉर माई अनवाइंड नाइट टाइम रूटीन. आई होप यू एंजॉयड इट. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज लाइक, कॉमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.